2012 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, aluminum wheels, climate control, universal garage door opener, premium sound system, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.